Insight organizes data in project directories, and a project can be located anywhere you choose. In this example, I will make the folder containing some SegWi 2D and 3D PostStack data my Insight project directory. When I start Insight, the first thing I see is the Doug Insight Launcher. I must select a project directory or create one before I launch an application from the Insight Launcher. I click Create New. The Create Project window is displayed. I can then select a location and confirm that I want to convert this folder into a Doug project directory. Using the sort and search capability, I can easily find the correct CRS for the project. If I do not specify a project CRS, I can select to use meters or feet as the unreferenced XY unit for the project. I select a datum in order to perform any lateral longitude conversions. The seismic reference datum can be set if the seismic is above mean sea level. Automatic Backup creates and keeps a number of copies of the project database. Leaving these settings as default is a good idea to ensure there's a copy of the project database if something ever went wrong. When I click OK, the nominated project directory is confirmed and the software creates a few subdirectories, including 100 Psi for the seismic data and other volumes. We recommend using the further subdirectories to organize large projects or the work of multiple users. At any time after creating a project, you can click on the spanner to change the configuration, including the coordinate reference system, the seismic reference datum, and the backup settings. Best to check with support before changing these. Once your project is created and selected, select the application required, type the amount of memory to allocate to the application, and launch. In this example, we need to run SegWi Loader next, which doesn't need a lot of RAM as it's mostly I/O computation. If you have questions or would like to discover more, then visit our website at www.doug.com. And remember, have fun with Insight!